Shemai, Jason Shepherd here from the Learn Welsh podcast, and today I thought let's have some fun, let's do a quiz. And I found a quiz called Test Your Welsh. Now it says it's not for fluent speakers but for people who have some Welsh or are learning Welsh. So I thought rather than this be about me today, although I will also guess the answer, let's make this a quiz for you to have a chance to try out your Welsh and see how much you know. So this is from Wales Online. I've got the quiz in front of me. It's called Test Your Welsh and it's 11 questions. So if you want to get a bit of paper, you can pause this, get a bit of paper, get a pen and write down 1 to 11 on your pad and we'll see how many you get right.
It's the Quiz of the Week.
Are you back? Great. Okay, so number 1. What does this mean? Now I will put the words up in one of these corners, but you'll see it. What does this mean? Croeso. Is croeso hello, good afternoon, please, or welcome? Have a guess what you think. Croeso. Hello, good afternoon, please, or welcome. What do you think? Right, I'm going to put down what I think, which is welcome. Which is right. So, next question. What does this mean? No star. No star. Does it mean thank you, good night, no thank you, or a little? So, write down the answer. Is it thank you, good night, no thank you, or a little? No star. Right, I'm going to put my guess down. It's this one I've taught you actually in one of the early lessons. No star means good night. And that's right. So if you got that, put a tick by it. The next one, number 3, is iechyd da. Iechyd da. And does it mean hello, good morning, good health, or not today? Iechyd da. Iechyd da. Hello, good morning, good health, or not today? Put your answer down now. Okay, I'm going to put down iechyd da means good health. Okay, next question. Number 4. Now another one I've taught you in an early lesson. Bore da. Bore da. Does it mean I'm bored, good bread, goodbye, or good morning? Bore da. Put your answer down now. I'll read them out to you again. Does bore da mean I'm bored, good bread, goodbye, or good morning? Got it? Right. It means, and I'm going to put that down now, my answer, good morning. And that's correct. So give that a tick if you've got that. Next question. You can say there's 2 ways. Sut wyt ti or shwd wyt ti, depending what part of Wales you're from. Shwd wyt ti, sut wyt ti. Does it mean, do you know who I am? Should we? How are you? Or who are you? Sut wyt ti or shwd wyt ti. Write down your answer. I'll give you them again. Do you know who I am? Should we? How are you? Or who are you? Okay, have you written those down? I'll give you a second. And I will click on the answer, which is how are you? If you've got that, give it a tick. And we're on to number 6. Number 6 is diolch. 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 Can't get that sound today. My mouth's a bit dry. Let's try it again. Diolch. That's better. Okay, does diolch mean yes, no, please, or thank you? Does it mean yes, no, please, or thank you? Write it down. Okay, so diolch. Let's click it means, and I'll click what I think it means, thank you. So if you got thank you, give it a tick. Okay, we're more than halfway through. Number 7 is os gwelwch yn dda. Os gwelwch yn dda. Os gwelwch yn dda. Does it mean, of course you can, as you were, pleased to meet you, or please? Os gwelwch yn dda. I'll give you the answers again. Does it mean, of course you can, as you were, pleased to meet you, or please? Okay, have you got that? I'm going to put down what I think it is, which is please. And that's the right answer. It's got a tick here, and we'll go on to the next question. Number 8 of 11. So number 8. Ooh, right. Esgusodwch fi. Esgusodwch fi. Does it mean, of course you can, excuse me, take the first left, or pleased to meet you? Write down your answer. Is esgusodwch fi? Of course you can. Excuse me, take the first left, or pleased to meet you? It is excuse me. Yep, okay. Excuse me. If you got that, give it a tick. And, even though I know most all of these, you look at them and you think, am I right? Am I getting this wrong? That's why I was hesitant then. Next question. And this is number 9, what does Saesneg mean? Saesneg. Does it mean Welsh, English, Irish, or Scottish? Saesneg. Welsh, English, Irish, or Scottish? Write down your answer. Okay, what do you think it is? And it's English. So if you got English, give it a tick. And next question. Next question is number 10. So last but one, number 10. Pedwar. 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 Does it mean pedal, chicken, wall, or four? Pedal, chicken, wall, or four? Pedwar. Okay, put your answer down now. That's it. Write it down. I'm going to give you the answer, and I'll click on it just to check. The answer is 4. Pedwar. Okay, last one is number 11. Come on. Oh, I like this word. Number 11, what does this mean? Mochyn. Mochyn. Okay, is it cow, horse, sheep, or pig? Cow, horse, sheep, or pig, and the word is mochyn. Or some people say mochyn. Mochyn, yeah, that's probably more correct, but I'm from Swansea. Mochyn or mochyn. Is it cow, horse, sheep, or pig? And yeah, I know my excuse is always I'm from Swansea, but we do pronounce certain letters slightly differently from, the standard dictionary spelling. And I do try when I do these podcasts to say the proper word, the proper, but it will creep out now and again, my Swanseaisms, my South West Wales colloquial Welsh. Mochyn. Is it cow, horse, sheep, or pig? Now, click on it. The answer is pig. Pig. Okay, so if you got 9, 10, 11, well done, fantastic. 8, 7, 6, really good. And 5 and below, you're doing good, but just keep practicing and you'll get there. Well done anyway. Hope you enjoyed that quiz. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. It always helps the channel. If you would like to know or get all of our videos, you can subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And to be notified with every video, just click that little bell. If you like what we do here and you would like to support us, you can go to learnwelshnow.co.uk and you can join the Learn Welsh Podcast Club. Or you can go to patreon.com/learnwelsh and you can join Patreon there. Whichever way you support us, you will get extra learning materials, you'll get all of our videos early and audio versions of all of the video lessons as well. Well, it's time for me to go and I shall see you soon. Hwyl fawr! Bye!